we are starting this chapter now.
Yes, I'm just giving you the introduction on this chapter, what we are going to study. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
No need to write anything. First listen, otherwise you will not understand. Coming to the next chapter, that is human body. As the name suggests, human body means our body. We are going to study about our body. Okay. Now, what happens is, for example, if you see a house, we all are living in a house, okay? If we see a house, with which is the house made? Like a house is there. It is like made up of, can I say the bricks are joined together? Yes, like this, the house, complete house is made. So the house is made of bricks. We can say like this. Yes, the bricks are joined and together and make a complete house. In the same manner, the human body, it is made up of cells. What it is made up of? Cells. So cells, they are the smallest unit of our body. Smallest unit of our body. No need to write anything. First, understand everyone. I'll make you write. Don't worry. This is just the introduction class going on. What I'm saying, like a house is made up of bricks. In the same manner, our human body is made up of cells. The cells which are very, very small in size, but these cells, they make our body. That is cells. So cells are the smallest unit of the body. Is this much clear to everyone? Now, what happens when the cells, they combine together, a group of cells which are combining together, they form tissue. What they form? Tissue. First of all, cells are there. After cells, what they form? The group of cells. The group of cells, similar cells, they perform a special function and they form tissue. So first of all, there are cells. The cells, they combine, they form tissues. Then the group of tissues which perform a same function, that forms organ. And then the organs, they combine to form organ system. And this organ system, all the organ systems means like respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system, skeletal system, all these organ systems, they combine to form an organism. Organism means like we are organism. Is this much clear to everyone? Again, I'm repeating, we have started with human body. In that, I told you that human body is made up of tiny cells. These cells, they combine together and they form a complete human being. Now I'm telling you that the smallest unit of the body, as I'm saying, is the cells. These cells, the group of cells, they combine together and they form a special function that forms a tissue. For example, nervous tissue. So in nervous tissue, what is there? All the tissues, all the cells of the same kind are combining and they are forming the nervous tissue. Then different type of cells, they combine and form different muscular tissue. Is that clear? So these different tissues are formed by different cells, but the group of same cells performing same function, they form a tissue. Then how organ is formed? When the tissues of the same type or they are doing the same function, that is forming the organ. For example, organ is kidney, organ is heart. What is happening? These are all different organs. So how these organs are formed? When the tissues are combining and performing the same function, that they are forming the organ. For example, kidney, heart, liver, these are all organs. Coming to organ system, when all the particular organs, they combine, they work together, they form organ system. For example, like digestive system. Digestive system comprises of which organs? Stomach, small intestine, large intestine, your liver, your rectum. These are all the organs which are there. So these organs, they combine together to form organ system. So there are various organ systems we have, I told you, like digestive, respiratory, reproductive, your skeletal, muscular, your nervous. So all these systems are there. So when all the organ systems, they combine, they form a complete organism. Like in our body, what is happening? Different organ systems are performing different functions. Like we are eating, our digestive system is working. We are thinking, everything we are doing with the brain, our nervous system is working. Yes, isn't it? We are breathing, our respiratory system is working. So all these organ systems are working together in an organism. Is this much clear to everyone? Please give a thumbs up. Clear to everyone? This much? Yes, Pratyush, you want to ask something?
I cannot understand the tissues.
Tissues. The cells of the same type performing same function, they form a tissue. For example, nervous tissue. What is happening in nervous tissue? All the cells are performing the same function in nervous tissue. Okay, like this. Like you just imagine like this. For example, all the students of 4th class or 3rd class I am teaching. There are 100 students I am teaching. Is this much clear? Like this we can understand. I am teaching 100 students of 3rd class. Yes. But in your group, I am teaching 14 similar students. So you are making all tissues. In the next batch, I am teaching 16 students of the same group. That forming the next group, next tissue. Like this, it is clear? Yes, so different cells which perform same function that are putting in one tissue. Clear? You can write this much so that I can write the detail of what is cell, what is tissue, like this. If anyone wants to write, they can write. And who discovered the term cells means who discovered cells? The scientist name is Robert Hooke, who discovered cell. It is not means as much important. It is just a general knowledge I'm giving. The Robert Hooke is the scientist who means discovered the cell. Yes, Neha?
What do you mean by discovered?
Discover means khojna, koi cheez. Like Graham Bell, he discovered telephone. In the same manner, the cells are discovered by Robert.
Sorry, ma'am, I can't hear discover means.
I'm saying like we have studied in transport and communication that telephone was discovered by Graham Bell. Yes, means he discovered it. He found out it. In the same manner, Robert Hooke discovered cell, that yes, cells are there. The body of animals, plants, the human beings, they all are made up of cells. He discovered that. Okay. Some person is always there, no, who will discover something. And this is the order which is there in our body. Like smallest is the cells, then cells combining forming tissues, then tissues combining forming organ, then different organs work together to form organ system, and organ systems are working together to in an organism. Yes, Meera?
Ma'am, what is the spelling of hook?
Hook, H-O-O-K-E. Written, shall I delete it now? Here only I can write down that tissues, they are formed by the group of cells performing a special function. Example can be nervous tissue. What about organ? A group of tissues performing a special function. This order is important, okay? This order which I have written, arrows, putting arrows, this order is important, okay? This you should know. Organ. Example can be liver, heart, kidney. All these are the examples of organ. Then I have to write about organ system and organism, which I'll just delete it and then write.
1 minute.
Okay. I'm giving 1 minute. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Coming to organ system. What is organ system? When the organs, they work together, the number of organs, different organs, they work together to form organ system. Example can be, for example, digestive system, nervous system, respiratory system. These are all organ systems. And what is your organism? Organism is when all the organ systems, they combine in a body that forms an organism. Yes, Achinte?
Ma'am, my music class is started, so I can leave.
Yeah, sure. Done? Okay. Coming to the organs, if we say the organs, they are of two types. External organs and internal organs. Can anyone tell me what are the external organs?
Ma'am, external organs.
Sneha, this is not the way to speak. How many times I will tell you, beta? Yes, Meera?
Ma'am, external organs are organs that are outside,
Outside.
not inside our body.
Internal is inside and external is which are outside, which we can see.
Yes.
Yes, Navneet, can you give me any example?
Ma'am, the examples are nose, eyes,
Yes.
ear.
Skin. Coming to internal organs like liver, heart, kidney. Clear? So these are external and internal organs.
Ma'am, stomach is also
Internal. So we have started with human body. In that I told you that our body is made up of small cells which combine together. Same cells combine together, perform similar function and form tissues. Tissues, the group of tissues performing a special function, they form organ, and organs, they work together to form organ system, and organ systems all they combine together, work together, and they form in an organism. Then we have studied that organs, they are of two types, external, internal. External organs which are outside the body, internal inside, and external like nose, eyes, ears, skin, these are all external organs. So largest external organ is skin. Remember it, largest external organ is skin and largest internal organ is liver.
Which one is the smallest external organ?
No, it is not like smallest, that is just the largest one. This is the largest external organ and this is the largest internal organ. Remember that. Okay. So we are over with today's class. Please kindly revise it so that I will ask you questions before starting with the class. Okay, then bye-bye. Take care, everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye.